All right, so I just got home and I'm expecting my new Chene Waders that I ordered to come in today. I ordered them last Friday. I'm expecting them in today. So let's say that was last Friday. This is the following Wednesday. So you see how fast they got them out to me. I'm really looking forward to using these this season. A friend of mine at Brad Eldridge at Parrish Waterfowl Company in Vicksburg, Mississippi. He's got a little booth set up for trying on these waders so you can order them. I was originally, excuse me, leaning towards getting some Sitkas, and I tried some on, and I really liked them. They fit good. I'm the the quality of the wader was a little different, and I felt like that if I needed something from these guys, that I could get it. It's a lot closer to me being in Memphis than in Montana. All the guys that I know that have these have had great customer reviews, great customer service. So I bit the bullet and got them. And if you're looking at getting these, you know, you know what they cost. They are not cheap. But for me, I spend so much time in my waders, not only for hunting, for checking water in rice fields, to turkey hunting sometimes. I spend a ton of time in waders, and it's hard to really describe the difference in the way they feel versus other brands of waders. You could just you feel the quality. They're super comfortable. I love them. So I'm going to do an unboxing when I get them in and do my initial impressions on them. Then after the end of season, do another review and just kind of see what I think about them and how they did, where they held up, where they didn't, and give the ins and outs of what I really think about them. I'm not sponsored by Chene. I bought these with my own money, so this is no endorsed, sponsored review. I just love the waders. They feel amazing. So when they come in, I'll do a review and we'll go from there. All right, we got our box in. I'm gonna do my open it up and get some first impressions on what I think about it. Jesus. Oh, she's in there. Hey. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. I wasn't expecting that. I mean, I haven't opened this, and I mean, just you see it firsthand. This is a handwritten note to me from those guys. I got this from them, and the sticker. Oh, that's awesome. That really kind of blows me away a little bit. Very cool. Well, I'm gonna go outside and see how they feel walking around. Ooh. 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 My God, these waders feel good. Wow. That is the best fitting pair of waders I've ever put on. These are our initial impressions, so I'm feeling on this as I go. So the boots are just a touch different than what I put on. I can't put my finger on it. It's like they're just a touch bigger. I normally wear, it depends on the boot, but I usually wear 11 to 11 and a half shoes. In cowboy boots, I wear 11, 11 and a half double E's. And this is 11 XL tall, and I'm really glad that I got the tall. The other one, it gets a little tight in the crotch area. It just kind of pulls up a little bit in there, and it was a little uncomfortable, and I didn't even know they had a tall version until Brad told me, and I'm so glad he did. These waders feel great. They really do. I am genuinely excited to see how these perform this year, and they feel amazing. Like, they just form fit to your body. I mean, I feel like that I could just go run in these, go run a marathon. They're light. The boots fit great, even though they're just a touch big. I don't know, it's hard to explain. If you wore many waders that's not too big, maybe a half size too big, but I can put on some extra socks real easy with these when it gets really cold. So actually, I think it's gonna work out good. We'll see. We'll see. I am super excited. These so far. Oh, mosquitoes, Jesus. The zipper here is a little stiff. I mean, that's to be expected on anything. It takes a little bit of use to get. God, the mosquitoes are awful. To get that wore in a little bit, and my initial thoughts. If there's something about these waders that I don't like, I don't know it yet. The belt is something else that's really, really neat. I don't know. It's got a real tight spandex. It form fits is what I'm saying. And other ones that I've gotten, they just don't fit as well. So it's hard to explain, but the belt feels really good. I really like these waders. So we'll see how they do.